Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best gold necklace for women layered, the CIBIRICH Punk Chain Chunky Necklaces. If you're on the hunt for a statement piece that adds an edgy yet elegant vibe to your outfit, this multi-layer collar necklace might just be your next favorite accessory. The design of this necklace features multiple layers combining different chain types including curb, Rollo, and Cuban styles. This mix creates a chunky and bold look that fits perfectly with punk fashion while still maintaining a polished appeal. The necklace measures about 5 inches wide, making it a noticeable accessory without being overwhelming. Its gold tone adds a classic touch that can elevate casual outfits or complement more formal wear effortlessly. Crafted from an alloy metal, the necklace is designed to be both durable and lightweight, ensuring comfortable wear throughout the day or night. The lobster clasp ensures a secure closure, making it easy to put on and take off while keeping it safely fastened during wear. Because it is handmade and free from common allergens such as nickel and copper, it's suitable for those with sensitive skin. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or want to add a bold accent to everyday wear, this necklace delivers a strong fashion statement. Its multi-layered chains create depth and texture, drawing attention in a way that few other necklaces do. The punk-inspired chunky design pairs well with a variety of styles, from streetwear to elegant evening looks. In addition to its style, the CIBIRICH necklace is easy to care for. It's recommended to clean it regularly with a soft, dry cloth and keep it away from water or harsh chemicals to maintain its shine and prevent oxidation. When not in use, storing it in a sealed box will help keep it looking fresh and new. This necklace also makes a thoughtful gift for birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, or any celebration where you want to surprise a special woman in your life. Its trendy yet timeless design appeals to a broad audience, making it a versatile choice for mothers, sisters, girlfriends, or friends who appreciate bold fashion jewelry. To summarize, the CIBIRICH Punk Chain Chunky Necklaces combine style, comfort, and quality in a layered gold statement piece. Its unique combination of chain styles and allergy-friendly materials make it stand out as one of the best gold-layered necklaces available today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.